Hi there. My name is Billy, an AI voice that will speak on this channel for a while, at least until Tony will become happier with his English skills. In this clip, I will unbox the last model cars received that I ordered from a Facebook group that is very dear to me, World of Cars. I will leave the link for the Facebook group in the description. Before starting the unboxing, I would like to mention that I am not paid whatsoever to promote this group, but I always had a good impression of the members of this group, and the group owner, Cloud is a great person and collector. It is also important for me to mention that in this package, Cloud sent to me the model car 1100 in my collection, a model car that I couldn't even dream to have so soon in my collection. So let's begin the unboxing. From this start, you can see the quality of the packaging from Cloud, as this package traveled more than 1,600 miles and it looks undamaged. I also appreciate the page logo that covers the package, even if in this situation, it brightens the room too much for my camera's taste. All model cars are well packed in individual blister packs, and the sticker with the group logo is a nice touch. Let's start with the first model of this package, and the model 1098 in my collection. A few months ago, when I wanted to shout out some channels, a fellow collector, Demi from the Youngtimer Oldtimer channel, told me that he likes vintage cars, especially vintage Opel, Ford, and Audi cars. And that was the moment when I realized that one of my favorite German cars from my childhood was a miss from my collection. So the first model presented today is this classic Audi Quattro, made by Vanguards, a company part of the Corgi International Group. Did you know that the name Quattro originated from the Italian word for four, as a representation of the vehicle's ability to deliver power to all four wheels? Additionally, Audi has used this name to describe their Quattro four-wheel drive system, as well as any four-wheel drive version of an Audi model. Now, let's move to our second model, the 1099 model in my collection. This is another German classic, a car that I am very used to seeing in the convertible format only, and that looks so cool in this light blue with a white soft top, that I had to have it. So, this is the Mercedes-Benz W125, the SL model meant to replace both the 300 SL and the 190 SL. This model was named from the 230 SL to 280 SL based on the production years and some other aspects, and from the Wikipedia information. The lead designers were Paul Brack and Bela Bernier, who created its patented, slightly concave hardtop, which inspired the Pagoda nickname. And now, the star of the show, the model car with the number 1100 in my collection, and a model I have never seen on sale before, a 143 scale transporter from CMC. This model car represents a special high-speed transporter for racing cars, and was a one-of-a-kind specimen, built by the Mercedes-Benz testing department. The racing department used the transporter, also called the Blue Wonder, to show for its racing cars W196 and 300 SLR in 1954 and 1955, at speeds of up to 106 miles per hour. As the original no longer exists, the vehicle was completely reconstructed with the help of documents from the archives. JLNO also has a replica of this car. At this moment I got scared a little because I thought the model car was damaged, but it was just me that opened the box upside down. My model car is the number 3057 from 9999 models, and even if the limited edition doesn't seem to be so limited, I still haven't seen this model before, on sale. The model car is exquisite, hand-mounted from 201 pieces with opening doors and engine details, and with details worthy of the CMC name. But since this is an unboxing video, I will not risk damaging the model car. Instead, I will make a dedicated video for it on my new channel, Model Cars, Beer and Words with Tony, a channel where you are welcome to subscribe as well. With this beautiful transporter out of the way, it is time to see which model will lead the road for the 1200 model cars batch. Let me guess, you could have sworn this is a Porsche, right? Well, yes and no. This is a resin model car made by Spark, for the 2006 Gemballa Avalanche GTR 650, a tuned car based on the Porsche 997 Carrera. The Gemballa GTR 650 Avalanche's motor boasts a breathtaking 650 horsepower. Part of the motor's conversion by the Gemballa engineers included eliciting an impressive 820 Nm torque, guaranteed to bring a satisfied smile to the driver's lips already at 4,800 RPM. In comparison, the standard Porsche 997 model features a maximum of 400 Nm torque at 4,600 RPM. The model car has the typical high-quality details of a Spark model. This next model is a premiere in my collection, as well as a first when I am seeing it at a 1/43 scale. So I hope you are fans of drag races, because this cool model is part of the vintage Slingshot Dragster series, made by Corgi. As the number 1799 of only 3,600 produces, the Activity Booster, driven by Tom McEwen in 1968, is a pioneer in my drag cars collection and a very cool addition. The last two models are also about speed, but they have a different approach compared to the Activity Booster. The first thing I would like to say about this next model, is that this is the best case I have ever seen on a Spark model. It looks like it has enough protection to travel a few times around the world. And since I am a big fan of fast cars, I needed to have the T80, a six-wheeled vehicle built by Mercedes-Benz, developed and designed by Ferdinand Porsche. It was intended to break the world land speed record, but never made the attempt, the project having been overtaken by the outbreak of World War II. The last car of this show, the Mercedes-Benz W125 Record Wagon, was derived from the 1937 open-wheel race car Mercedes-Benz W125 Formel Rennwagen, of which also a streamlined version was raced at the non-championship of Rennen, in Berlin. The main difference to the Grand Prix race car, which had to adhere to the 750 kg limit, was the engine. While the Grand Prix car had the 8-cylinder inline M125, which was rather tall, the record car was fitted with a V12 engine that was lower, which reduced drag. Rudolf Caracciolla's record of 432.7 km/h, 268 miles per hour, over the flying kilometer on January 28, 1938, remained the fastest ever officially timed speed, on a public road, until broken on November 5, 2017, by Koenigsegg, in an Agera RS. At the end of this clip, I would like to invite you again, to check the Facebook group, World of Cars, and to consider subscribing, all of this while I went under the table in order to reach my camera. The links are in the description. Cheers.